Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to analyze allocations for tax inefficiency in Empower. Do you want to keep more of your investment returns? Taxes can eat into growth if your assets aren't in the right accounts. So let's see how Empower is going to help you spot tax inefficiencies. The first point is to review portfolio allocations. Now, in Empower's Investing tab, you can view your full asset breakdowns, stocks, bonds, ETFs, mutual funds, and alternatives across taxable and retirement accounts. Next is to identify tax-inefficient holdings. Now, certain investments like bonds, REITs, or actively managed funds may generate high taxable incomes. Empower helps you to see which of these are in your regular brokerage accounts versus tax-sheltered accounts. Next is to optimize placement. Now, use Empower's insights to decide whether to shift income-heavy assets into tax-advantaged accounts like an IRA or 401k, while keeping tax-efficient assets like index funds or ETFs in taxable accounts. The fourth point is fees and tax layering. You want to pair this with Empower's fee analyzer to see if you're overpaying in both fees and taxes. Empower makes it easy to spot and fix tax inefficiencies, which of course is going to help you grow wealth faster without giving Uncle Sam more than necessary. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.